Sound of a photograph. Of a photograph being taken. It's quick. By the time you hear it, you're already caught. It's called a shot for a reason. If a photo lived as long as its sound, these pictures would probably be dead already. Their quickness, their, keenness for detail, for fast moves, for quick abilities to stop things in time, that it would mean nothing. It would be over by the time you saw it. In fact, they'd live longer when they weren't so quick. All of that ability to sort of respond quickly to whatever's going on is gone. It's sort of in its failure to capture perfect detail. It's able to live longer. Of course, there's another form of life that a photograph can hold. It's the one I'm sort of most familiar with putting on this channel. As the interval between the shots get quicker, you start to see motion develop. The faster you go, the closer you get to some form of reality. It's weird how we could just decide quite early on what felt real enough. You just keep on going, faster and faster, and then you're just flying through until that's it, and it's just over. You've reached life. Wow. I like the idea that the very sort of mechanical shutter sound, as it's going on and overlaps with itself more and more, especially when you get to 24 frames a second, it starts to sound more natural. It starts to sound more like a crashing wave or like trees in the background. There was even a bird responding to the sound of the shutter. It's like that constant whirring of the projector wheel. Obviously they were called silent films, and avoiding the music that played, you could still hopefully hear that rolling projector and be reminded that it's still that mechanical process, it's still photographs being taken.